Hey guys, welcome to another edition of RECON TV. Today we will be installing a set of smoked RECON LED projector headlights on a 2016 Ford F150. The RECON part number is 264290LEDBKC. These RECON lights replace OEM halogen-style headlights and have white LED DRLs and amber LED scanning turn signals. They come complete with self-contained high-output LEDs for the high and low beam. These lights are plug-and-play and are very easy to install. Remove the top clip and two screws on the inside edge of the panel between the headlight and the grille. Then remove the panel to get access to the bolts that hold the headlight in place. Next, remove the bolts holding the headlight and also on the lower plate under the headlight. There are also two clips on the outer edge that need to be pressed to release the plate from the truck. Once the bolts and clips are removed, you can pull the lower plate free and then pull the headlight out of the truck. Unplug all of the connections to completely free the light from the truck. Locate the lower mounting bracket on the OEM headlight and remove the three screws holding it to the light. Then, using the same screws, attach it to your new RECON headlight on the lower edge. Remove the OEM turn signal bulb from the socket that was in the OEM light and find the connector coming out of the center hole in the RECON light that is covered in a white sticker. Plug this connector into the OEM socket and make sure to match the black wires on the RECON plug with the black wires on the OEM socket. Once this connection is made, lock the OEM socket into the matching hole on the RECON light to secure the connection. Make sure to line up the stud on the outside of the light with the corresponding hole on the truck body, then reconnect the 3-wire harness from the truck to the RECON light and push the light into place. Start with the top bolt and work around the light to secure the 3 bolts that hold the light into place. Replace the lower plate under the light by pressing the clips back into place, then replacing the screws. Replace the body panel around the light with the 2 side screws and clip on the top edge. Test all of the light functions to ensure the connections are correct. Thank you again for purchasing your new RECON headlights, and always remember to visit our website at gorecon.com. Get lit.